carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy. There are three different kinds of carbohydrates. They include starch, sugar, and fiber. Starch is made from chains of small sugars. When these chains are broken down during digestion, we get energy. We get 4 calories from each gram of starch, but we do not get calories from fiber because our bodies do not break fiber during digestion. Plant foods like cereals, bread, rice, pasta, and potatoes are good sources of starch. They give us the energy we need to do daily activities. These starchy foods give us important vitamins and minerals too, because carbohydrate-rich foods are usually low in calories. They can help us keep a healthy weight. When we add fat, like butter, bacon, or gravies, at the table or when we cook, we add extra calories and we gain weight. If we use less gravies less butter or margarines or bread or anything that has to do with this, we can reduce our calories and in this way keep a healthier lifestyle. That hasn't got too many fats. Fat is a nutrient that has an important source of calories. 1 gram of fat supplies 9 calories, more than twice the amount we get from carbohydrates or protein. Fat also is needed to carry and store essential fat-soluble vitamins, like vitamins A and D. There are 2 basic types of fat. They are grouped by their chemical structure. Each type of fat is used differently in our bodies and has a different effect on our health. When we eat a lot of high fat foods, we get a lot of calories, like hamburgers, hot dogs, or bacon, these types of food. With too many calories, we may gain weight. Eating too much fat may also increase the risk of getting diseases like cancer, heart disease, high blood pressure, or stroke. Fat is found in many foods. Some of the fat that we eat comes from the fat we add in cooking or spread on breads, vegetables, or other food. Because fat is mainly affect arteries and get them to not work the 100% they can. We can reduce the amount of fat we eat every day by cutting down one fat that we add in cooking or spread on food. We can eat skim milk or low-fat cheese. So we can replace every fat because every fat mostly has a version that hasn't got too many fats. Fiber. Fiber is one kind of carbohydrate. It is sometimes called roughage or bulk. Fiber is the part of plants' food that our bodies do not break down during digestion. Because fiber isn't digested, it doesn't give us calories. Food that contain a lot of fiber may also contain other types of carbohydrates like starch or sugar. Well, we do not get calories from the fiber in these foods. We do get calories from the sugar and starches they contain. Fiber is important to keep the digestive tract working smoothly. Since we do not digest it, the fiber in food passes into the intestine and absorbs water. The undigested fiber creates bulk, so the muscles in the intestine can push waste out of our bodies. Eating enough fiber helps prevent constipation. It may also reduce the risk of getting colon cancer. Some fibers can help lower blood cholesterol. So fiber is important for keep our digestive system flowing and have a good evacuation of like poo or pee in order so our body decontaminates itself from this and get rid of it. And if it gets rid for it faster, it is better for our system. Of all the parts of our bodies, protein. Most of all the parts of our bodies are made from protein, like the hair, skin, blood, and organs. It is needed for cells to grow. It also repairs or replaces healthy cell tissues. Protein in food gives us calories, minus 4 calories in 1 gram. If we do not get enough calories from fat and carbohydrates, we may use protein for energy. Most Americans, even athletes, get the protein they need without using special food, powders, or shakes. Protein is made of chains of amino acids. Amino acids are the building block of protein. Our bodies can make most amino acids. There are few of these that cannot make, so we must get them from the foods we eat. They are known as essential amino acids. Most foods that come from animals such as fish, chicken, pork, eggs, milk, or cheese contain all of these essential amino acids. They are known as complete proteins. Saturated fats. These are found in meats and whole dairy products like milk, cheese, or ice cream. Some saturated fats are also found in plant food like tropical oils. When margarine or vegetable shortening is made from corn oil, soybean oil, or other vegetable oils. Hydrogen atoms are added, making some of the fat molecules saturated. When we eat too much saturated fat, it increases our chances of getting a heart disease. When we reduce the amount of saturated fats in our diet, it may reduce the blood cholesterol level and reduce our chances of developing a heart disease.